What is going on, my petrol-powered dudes? I am at Adam's Kart Track, and today I'm going to be testing out my brand new IRC Quickshifter. This is going to be the first session of the day. I got cold tires, so we're going to go a little bit slow, but as the day progresses, we're going to go a little bit faster and faster, but I'm super excited to go the first time and try this baby out. All right, here we go. Oh man, hell yeah, baby, let's go. That's my man Jeff in front of me with his kick-ass supermoto. Let's go. I haven't even kicked it up to second gear yet. I think I'm gonna officially do that on the track, where it really matters. All right, here we go. Oh man, kicking it up to second gear. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Quick shifter. I love it. Wow, it's so smooth. Damn, this is so much better. Wow. Wow, kicking it up into third gear while I'm making the turn. And it doesn't upset the suspension, the chassis, or anything. It's fantastic. So seamless. Alright, I'm loving it already. I wonder why they put these cones here. That's annoying. Alright, kicking it up one notch. Hopefully later on I can kick it up a couple of notches, but for right now, one notch is good enough for me since I don't have slicks or tire warmers. But check out this upshift. Oh yeah, seamless. Oh boy, missed the shift. Alright, no worries. Alright, we got a pile up over here. What's going on? Oh yeah, these are the SoCal Supermoto guys. Let's see if we can squash through this group. So far, so good with the Quickshifter. It works wonderful. Getting through traffic. That's good. Quickshifter is making me faster because there's one less thing to worry about. First session of the day, not bad, and I love the Quickshifter, man. So special thank you to MotoDRacing.com for providing the IRC Quickshifter. In full disclosure, I didn't pay for the IRC Quickshifter, but they sent it to me for a review. But based on my first impression with the Quickshifter, I can honestly say without a shadow of the doubt that I feel faster. But not only faster, but I think it's also made me more comfortable because now I can concentrate on other things as opposed to upshifting when I'm exiting a corner. So getting into a corner, getting out of a corner, definitely a lot smoother than it used to be. Quick up is definitely something that I needed with this bike, and now I have it.
A few moments later.
Ready to go? Yeah. Alright, I don't know what is this, the number 3 or 4th session of the day, but so far so good. I'm liking the Quickshifter, and I'm starting to get used to it. So I'm going to attempt to follow my man Jeff once again. Alright, so in this session, I've made an agreement with myself because I have very little self-control and I want to concentrate on shifting, and the system is so brand new to me that I gotta get used to it, because the corner entries and the corner exits were so much different whenever I had to manually do everything. But now there's one less thing to think about, and that is shifting up. Like, check this out, so seamless. But now I gotta concentrate on shifting down, so I gotta figure out where the best place is for me to brake, for me to downshift, come out of the corner, and then upshift once again. Like right here is where I'm gonna upshift. And man, that was very seamless. It made the process a whole lot better because there's one less thing to think about, and in the process I feel like I'm faster. Coming out of the corner, punching it, upshifting, keeping it in third here because I think I can do this in third, but no, not this one. The other one, yes, but not this one. Little Monza, I think that's what it's called. So at the track right now, we got the SoCal Supermoto guys, and they've opened up the dirt section. That's Jeff in front of me right there. What a show off. Whoa! I got the back sliding a little bit. I gotta control myself. I told myself not going fast, concentrating on lines, concentrating on shifting, body positioning. My dudes, when you go to the track, there's so many things that you have to remember, and there's so many things that you have to learn. Now you see the little X in front of me, this one right here? That's the apex. And from here on out, you just punch it. If Jeff's gonna wait for me the entire time, he's gonna wait a long time because I'm not going fast. He doesn't know the agreement I have with myself. Go, Jeff, go. Punch it, baby, punch it. Woo! Damn, I'm getting competitive here. This is the sketchy part because the dirt guys are getting off right there. So I gotta watch out. Missed my apex, but I got that one. I feel a lot more smooth than before, and that's what happens when you concentrate on skill rather than speed, because for the first couple of sessions I was concentrating mostly on going fast. Yeah, it's a natural thing to do. You're on a racetrack, right? But in order to go fast, you need to go slow. I know it sounds counterproductive, counterintuitive, whatever you want to call it. But you got to go slow, figure out your bike, figure out the track, figure yourself out, what makes you comfortable, what makes you uncomfortable. And then once you get all that stuff dialed down, which is not going to be in your first session, your goal, not your first session, but your first time at the track, your goal should be not to crash. But the second time you come around, you gotta find one thing to concentrate on, not many things. One thing, and I think the most important thing to concentrate on the first time you go to the track is vision, is the thing that is the most important thing. And then once you get vision down, you can focus on other things. Acceleration, braking, all that stuff. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to release a couple of videos about track day events and how to do them and what to do first, second, third, to make people more comfortable. And I think it'll be good for me as well, because if I can teach it to people, even though I don't know a lot, but whatever I know, I'm sure it's helpful. So if I can do that with other people like you, then that will probably help me out as well, because the best way to learn something is to teach it to others. Yeah, I'm starting to get used to it. You see, it's better to go slow than to haul ass the first time you're on the track, or even the second time. Go slow until you figure out the lines, until you figure out the bike, until you figure out how to shift, your entries, your exits, corner speed, blah blah blah. There's so much. Into an apex, those who are slower are out faster. And I think we are done for this session. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this has been my review of the IRC Quickshifter, and I'm just happy with it. Phenomenal little Quickshifter. And if you guys are looking for this Quickshifter, it gets the Petrohead seal of approval, and I highly recommend it to you. It's a smooth shifter, it bangs into the gears easily, no issues at all. And if you're looking to purchase it, head on over to Moto D Racing and get this Quickshifter, because I highly approve it. That was awesome.
That was a great session. Yeah.
Yeah, it was. You know what? I concentrated on going slow, and in the process, I was fast.
Yeah. It's a weird thing.
Who would have thunk it?
Slow and they actually end up going quicker.
Who would have thunk it? If you go slow, you become faster. I was concentrating on my lines and shifting, and it just made me so much better.
I was just focused on chasing Carino after he put me on. I'm not shifting because I can't bend my, like this is as far, I have to like, because my brace is getting stuck.
Yeah.